Hey guys, so this would be the first long format video of this channel of the year 2025. Hope you all are doing great and hope you will like this video. Today's video is gonna be very different from what I usually post. Today's video will gonna be on the life of our very not so lovable but dear frontman Lee Byung-hun. Lee Byung-hun was born in 1970, 12th July in Songnam district of South Korea. He is currently married to Lee Min-jung, who is also an actress and has two children. Byung-hun started off his career in 1991 with Asphalt My Hometown, but he rose to prominence with his action movie Asphalt Man and his romantic movie The Harmonium in My Memory. His another hit movie Joint Security Area in 2000 became the highest grossing movie in South Korea at that time, for which he also won award for Best Actor May in Busan Film Critics Award. Then he worked on several other projects which earned him some more accolades over the years, and his popularity grew further in Asia. He was further recognized with this movie A Bittersweet Life, which was screened at the Cannes Film Festival. He then backed the film G.I. Joe Rise of Cobra, a Hollywood movie starring Channing Tatum and Sienna Miller alongside, where he played the role of Storm Shadow. Then he went on to work some more Korean projects for which his popularity grew more. Then he also worked on some more Korean projects which were also hit, and his stardom only grew, and he went on to work on some more Korean projects as well as Hollywood projects simultaneously. He was co-starred in 2010 Red 2, a Hollywood action comedy movie. Career was rising high, but as they say, success is not a bed of roses. Lee Byung-hun was involved in a scandal. His former girlfriend Kyung Myeon filed a lawsuit against Lee Byung-hun for tricking into a sexual relationship with the promise of marriage. Myeon also claimed that Byung-hun has caused her mental anguish and physical damage. Along with, he was also charged with Lee Byung-hun is a chronic gambler. Byung-hun was sued for 100 million won. Byung-hun's agency BH Entertainment has refuted those claims. In fact, countersued Myeon with defamation case. Rumors has it Kang Byung-kyo appeared on the set of Iris, where Lee Byung-hun was working with some gangsters, because apparently Byung-hun and Myeon broke up because of Kang Byung-kyo. Later, it was revealed that the TV host Kang Byung-kyo colluded with Myeon before she filed a lawsuit against Byung-hun to extort money from him. On 2014, Byung-hun found himself into another scandal. Dahi from the K-pop girl group Glam and Lim Ji-yeon blackmailed Lee Byung-hun for money in exchange for the video that they won't release a video containing Lee Byung-hun asking for sexual favors from the girls. But Byung-hun reported this to the police, and later these two women were found guilty and jailed for approximately 1 year. But Byung-hun's plea to the court has reduced the punishment of 1 year to 6 months for these women. Lee Byung-hun is also a philanthropist. He has donated money for the earthquake and tsunami affected people in Japan in 2011 forest fires. He has donated for the underprivileged people who were affected during the COVID. He was also romantically linked with Song Hye-kyo, which lasted for 15 years, and then they broke up. Lee Byung-hun married Lee Min-jung in the year 2013, and they had a second child in 2023. Byung-hun has also suffered from depression followed by his father's death. Byung-hun gives all the credit to his wife for supporting him during his lowest time. He is again in the limelight recently due to his latest release Squid Game, which is ruling the OTT globally and is infamous for the name of the frontman. Hope he will go higher and higher. So this was the life of our very dear frontman Lee Byung-hun. Hope you like it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to it and like it so that you don't miss any video if I post. Till then, take care. Bye.